I wanted a Bradley doll, like I like the 60s ones, and the ones I could find were all like, they either were really dirty or like falling apart, or like really tall, like over 20 inches. And I really don't like the ones with the skirts, I just don't. So I found this, and I've been looking for like different mediums, because I don't know, just to like see what they're like. And so I found one that's like wood, and I don't have anything wooden, so I decided to get it. And so I guess it kind of like checks both boxes, because it has like a Bradley doll face, but a wooden body, and it's small, which I need right now. And it doesn't have like, some of them have like a whole bunch of different colors in their eyes. I think she only has like 1 or 2 colors, but I still think she's cute. And I just like the 60s like big eye stuff right now, so excited for this. She got here pretty fast too. So. Ooh. Just like an ad for the seller. Itty bitty. These are cute. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. I guess that means wooden doll. I can't remember now. I like the Bradley dolls made in Japan. The ones in Korea from Korea are cool too, but I prefer Japan. Ooh. It's pretty. Whoa. Wow. She's good. Oh, I really like her. I didn't really know if I would like this hat. Bubble wrap. I didn't know if I'd like this hat because it has this like falling off trim on it, and it is like, I don't know if that's mold or not on it. So I might just like throw it away. The purse is kind of the same way. The stem or whatever is like hollow wood, and it has like different fabrics on it. You can kind of see the wood here. I liked her because she's interesting. I'm like getting into like unusual stuff lately, so I like her face, and you know, like nice smile and stuff. I thought it was a little bit more neutral, her expression, when I saw her, but I've just never like seen one of these up close, so I didn't really know what to expect. But the face is super cute, yeah, and it doesn't look like she has any colors in her eyes. Some of them are like kind of anime, like, and cool. And I wanted one of those, but like this was, she's a nice compromise because she, like I said, she like checks a bunch of boxes, and I really like the color of her outfit, like all the different colors in it. I love the combination of brown and blue. It's one of my favorites, and I didn't even notice that it was like that when I got her. And I really love how in the 60s so much stuff had like that hot pink color, and like it wonder how they painted her cheeks, because I think it's like a, I'm not sure what kind of fabric. And I kind of wonder too, like if this was like a Franken doll, if someone like made her themselves. I don't care either way because I think she's cool, but I can't tell if she had like a cloth body before, or like where she doesn't have any like marks or anything on her, but I like her and I'm happy with her. I don't think I'll probably get another Bradley doll. She'll be my only one, but and I might get rid of this thing just because I don't really like it, but I like her. I'm happy with her. She was like super inexpensive, so goodbye. And I think whoever did her head and her bangs and all that stuff did a good job. I think it's kind of cool how it's like sculpted and it's not just like a flat face or like a wooden ball or something. But yeah.